Guys, this world is literally cooked. I'm not even lying. So what happened was I was watching a video of just someone counting, and I went to the comments because it said 6-7, and I knew everyone was gonna be spamming it. There was like a million 5-year-olds spamming 6-7, 6-7. This world is cooked. I'm gonna show you the picture in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There was your proof. This world is cooked. We need to redeem ourselves. If the world keeps going on like this, when we're in retirement homes, we're all going to be saying 6-7, and I'm just going to be shaking my head. We need to redeem ourselves. Everyone spread the word and stop. #stop 6-7.